Welcome to Zarif Nature World, where we explore the beauty and wonders of nature. Deep beneath the calm blue ocean lies one of the oldest creatures on Earth, the turtle. Turtles have existed for millions of years, silently moving through oceans, rivers, and lakes. Their slow and graceful movements bring a sense of peace to the underwater world. Their hard shell is more than just protection. It is a home they carry everywhere they go. Each turtle's shell is unique, like a fingerprint, telling a story of its journey through life. Unlike many ocean animals, turtles live a calm and steady life. They glide through the water with ease, using their strong flippers like wings. Turtles often spend their time exploring coral reefs, surrounded by colorful fish and gentle ocean currents. These peaceful environments provide them with food and safety. Even though they live in water, turtles must come to the surface to breathe. This simple act reminds us of their connection between two worlds, land and sea. Turtles are known for their patience and long life. Some can live for decades, quietly witnessing the changing world around them. Their journey is not rushed. They move at their own pace, teaching us the beauty of slowing down. In a fast-moving world, turtles remind us to stay calm, stay steady, and keep moving forward. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the peaceful side of nature. Subscribe to Zarif Nature World for more amazing nature documentaries.